Hi, Julia. What's in your bag?
Hi, Frank. I have a ticket, glasses, a watch, a newspaper, and some cookies.
Nice. Is your watch new?
Yes, my watch is new. I love it.
Do you have a purse?
No, I don't. I don't have a purse. I pay for things online.
Do you have any money?
No, I don't have any money.
Oh, what do you have in your bag?
I have some cookies.
Great. I like cookies. Do you have a ticket?
Yes, I do. It's my new ticket. What about you, Frank? What's in your bag?
I have a key, a ring, a toothbrush, and a camera.
Is your camera new?
Yes, it is. My camera is new.
Do you have an ID?
No, I don't. I don't have an ID. I have it online.
Do you have any money?
No, I don't. I pay for things online too.
That's convenient.
Yes, I don't need to carry much in my bag.